What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Discord not opening in Windows. So if you guys enjoy the video, make sure to drop a like and also subscribe for more tech tips like this. So let's get started. What we'll need to do starting off is press the Windows key plus R, and then you'll see this menu over here to run, and you want to type exactly what you see here. So %appdata %/Discord. Once you press OK, you will find this data folder from Discord. So you'll have 3 folders that you'll need to delete in order to delete the cache. So the cache is just some temporary files, and this might be the cause that your Discord will not load. So if you delete this, they will be regenerated once you open it again. So the folders you need to delete are cache, code cache, and GPU cache. All right. So if I try to delete this one, I should press yes, and it's deleted. But if there's any issue, like if you cannot delete the folder, what you'll need to do is you need to right click on the taskbar and then open up the task manager, and then you want to find the processes of Discord. So just type in Discord, and you want to end all the Discord processes. Okay, so by ending all the processes, you will now be able to delete all these folders. So again, delete the folders called cache, the code cache, so this is the second folder, and the third one will be GPU cache. Okay, so delete this one as well. So right click and delete, and now you should be able to open your Discord. Another way to fix Discord issues could also be by going to do a scan of your system files. So what you want to do here is you want to open up the start menu and type in command prompt, and then you want to right click on it and run as administrator. So this will ask you for some permission, and once you are here, you can just run this command, which is sfc/scan now. And what this will do, this will scan your system for corrupt files, and this can also cause Discord to not be opening, and also other apps on your Windows system. So this is also another tip you can do, and once it's finished, you can see the result and try again. Last but not least, if any of these methods does not work, what you can try to do is uninstall Discord from your computer and then install it again from the official website, and this should completely fix any broken files that you have in Discord. Okay, so this is it for this short tutorial. If you guys enjoy, make sure to drop a like, also subscribe. If it worked for you, drop a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.